In this slide, we have something that should again look very familiar if we remember well what we studied in lecture 3. In lecture 3, we said, what is the terms of trade, PS over PT, that is unique, that will emerge in our free trade equilibrium? We said, well, prices will move around up to the point at which the trade triangle in A is going to be equal to the trade triangle in B. We call that process in lecture 3 a process of reciprocal demand, if we remember correctly. Here, in this slightly different economy, the same exact thing happens. The terms of trade will adjust so that the trade triangle in A is equal to the trade triangle in B, which is the same as to say that imports have to pay for exports in both countries, or trade, we say it's balanced. The only difference really between lecture 3 and this lecture is that in lecture 3, we were having complete specialization. And so we were having that production was staying fixed at a certain level such that S, for example, in A, was at its maximum level and T was at 0, and the opposite was happening in B. And the process of adjustment of prices was only concerning demand. Here, the process of adjustment of the terms of trade to make sure that demand is equal to supply in the international markets and for every good that we are exchanging, which means having the same trade triangles, involves both demand but also supply.